So let us move to the characteristic equation for the T flip-flop. So in the T flip-flop we have got only one input, that is T. So the input T can take two values, 0 or 1, but whenever T is 0, the present state or the previous state, it can be 0 or it can be 1. So for T is equal to 0, Qn will be 0 or 1, and T is equal to 1, Qn again will be 0 or 1. And we all know that T flip-flop is nothing but the modification for JK flip-flop, where J and K terminals, they are shorted to each other to form T flip-flop. So this is a rough diagram about JK converted or modified to T flip-flop. So basically if you are getting the input T, that is nothing but going to input of JK flip-flop, JK, and the inputs for JK are shorted to T. So when T is equal to 0, JK will be shorted to 0 0. So the output for JK will be equal to 0 0, here also 0 0, and if T is equal to 1, the output for JK is 1 1 1 1. Now let us find out the next state or the Qn plus 1th state for the flip-flop. Now basically we are exciting the JK flip-flop. So JK is 0 0 and 1 1. So first of all let us try to solve from the first position, that is JK 0 0. JK 0 0 gives us the previous state input, that is nothing but in this case it is 0. So output will be 0. Again JK 0 0 second case gives previous state. In this case previous state is changed from 0 to 1. So this will be 1. 1 1 will give us a toggle. Toggle is nothing but Qn bar. So whatever the Qn is present, that is nothing but 0 here, that will be toggled to 1. And the last case JK 1 1, again toggle from 1 to it will get 0, that is nothing but Qn bar. So we are talking about the characteristic equation of T flip-flop. So characteristics equation for the T flip-flop is nothing but the output is Qn plus 1 present for these two inputs or these two input combinations. So we'll write down the equation for this one. So what we get, Q of n plus 1 is equal to the first case where inputs are T and Qn, so it is T bar Qn plus the second case T Qn bar. This is nothing but XOR combination between input T and the previous state Qn. So Qn plus 1 is nothing but T XOR with Qn. It is the characteristics equation for T flip-flop. Now we will perform the same operations where we try to find out the characteristic equation of D flip-flop. Now we all know that D flip-flop is converted using T, SR or JK. Now here let us start to find out the characteristic equation for the D flip-flop. As I said earlier also, that D flip-flop is nothing but the modification of SR or JK flip-flop, as shown here. The very rough diagram is drawn here to convert SR or JK flip-flop into D flip-flop, where you can easily see SR and JK, they are complementary to each other by the virtue of this NOT gate. Okay, so let us try to find out the characteristic equation for D flip-flop. As D is the single input, it can take only two values, 0 or 1. So if D is 0, the previous state, it can be 0 or it can be 1. Same as if D is 1, previous state can be 0 or it can be 1. So we have got four combinations, and as I have drawn in this small rough circuit diagram of JK SR converted to D flip-flop, we easily know that S or J pin is directly shorted to D, whereas R and K are the complement of the input. So the combinations I get as when D is equal to 0, S or J is equal to 0 0, K will be inverted or R bit will be inverted, and if D is 1, J or S will be 1, RK will be again inverted, that is invert 0 0 in the last two cases. So Qn plus 1, that is the next state logic we will perform on the basis of this. For the first two cases, that is nothing but JK or SR input is 0 1, that is nothing but perfectly reset position irrespective of the present state or the previous state. So the output will be reset, that is nothing but 0. And the next two states, that is nothing but SR JK input 1 0, perfectly set position irrespective of the present state. So it will be, output will be set, so it will give us the value 1 1. Okay, no need to solve the K-map. Even if you'll solve the K-map for Qn plus 1, it is okay. But as we know, we have studied the properties of D flip-flop. It's a delay flip-flop, means whatever the input you provide, that will be delayed, and the same input will be provided at the output. So directly you can write down the characteristic equation for D flip-flop as Qn plus 1 is equal to D. That is nothing but the input. So these are the all four combinations for characteristic equation, and these are very important while you solve the flip-flop convergence. Thank you.